On the left side of the key fob, push the dot on the Release tab and remove the key. At the bottom of the key fob, locate the slot, insert the tip of the key, give it a slight twist, and separate the top and bottom halves. Flip the circuit board over to reveal the 2032 coin battery. Grip the board at the edges and use the tip of the key to pry out the battery. Install the new battery positive side up. Angle the battery under the tabs and press down the other end until it snaps into place. The circle on the bottom half of the key fob mates with the battery. Flip the board over into place. Then place the top half onto the bottom half and snap back together. Finally, reinsert the key into the key fob.